Kids Zone with Trishy. Hello friends, would you like to look and find colors? You would? Alright, let's look and find colors in this book called Colors. What's the first color you see? What color is that? Yes, it's red. Can you say red? Can you find the red flower? Yes, there's the red flower. Yellow. Yellow is next. Let's see what is yellow. The sun is yellow. Can you find the fish that has a little bit of yellow? Yes, this fish has a little bit of yellow in it. Blue. Blue is our next color. Let's try to find things that are blue. Can you see anything that's blue? Flying in the sky? Yes, the bird is blue. Green. This is green. Can you say green? Very good. Green. Is the frog green? Ribbit. Yes, the frog is green. Our next story is called Rhymes. Rhymes are words that sound the same, but they're not the same, but they sound alike. They rhyme. Dog, dog rhymes with frog, frog. House rhymes with mouse, house, mouse. Cat, cat, bat, bat, cat, bat. Moon. What rhymes with moon? Moon? Can you guess, my friend? Moon? Yes, spoon. Pail, pail. Whale, whale, pale, whale.